Good morning, guys. So we're going to be starting on page 52-53 in your Reading Street book. And at the top of your discussion sheet, the title of Companion Passage 1 is The Real Thunder and Lightning. You can abbreviate that. The comprehension skill is Cause and Effect. And the comprehension strategy is Summarize. After we go through how to use these, make sure that you fill out the part underneath each of those where you explain how you could use that skill to better understand a passage. Alright, so let's look at cause and effect on page 52 together. An effect is something that happens. A cause is the reason why something happens. A cause may have more than one effect, and an effect may have more than one cause. Clue words such as because and since can help you identify causes and effects. If there are no clue words, ask, why did this happen? What happened as a result? Analyze how causes and effects are organized to understand relationships. Use a graphic organizer like the one below to write 3 of the causes and effects from The Real Thunder and Lightning on page 53. Okay, so with cause and effect, something that usually confuses people is we get this confused with sequence. So sequence is when 2 things happen, one after another, but they're not related. So we could say Mr. Wilson went to the store. Then went to the mall. So here's an example of sequence. This is not cause and effect. Why is it not cause and effect? Because my going to the store did not make me go to the mall. There are 2 events that happened one after the other, but not because of the first one. So when we think cause and effect, that might be like this. Woke up late. The effect of waking up late is missed the bus. This first event directly leads to this happening. Now, in the instructions that we just went over also, cause and effect can have multiple events. So what do we mean by that? Let's say we woke up late. We missed breakfast. And we are tired. So these are 3 potential causes that can all come together to have one effect of being grumpy. So we have multiple causes that all have one effect when they come together. One effect or one cause can also have multiple effects. So if we take this a step further, let's say that I'm the grumpy one. The effect of that can be students grumpy. Because nobody likes a grumpy teacher. Other teachers grumpy. Because I wasn't as nice as I should have been. And I have a bad day. So here we see one cause with multiple effects. Alright, as we go into our story, you're paying attention for examples of cause and effect that you can identify. Some tall tales and myths provide entertaining reasons for why things happen in nature. These stories are fun to read, but the real reasons can also be interesting. The real cause of lightning is electrical charges inside a storm cloud. A strong positive electrical charge may form near the top, and a strong negative charge may form near the bottom. When these opposite charges flow toward each other, lightning flashes inside the cloud. When opposite charges flow from one cloud to another, lightning flashes between the clouds. When negative charges at the bottom of a cloud move down toward positive charges on Earth, lightning flashes from the cloud to the ground. Watch out! Thunder happens only when there is lightning, because lightning causes it. Thunder results from the rapid heating of the air along a lightning flash. The heated air expands as a result. It creates a sound wave. Then the claps and rumbles of the thunder are heard. See if you can identify at least 2 examples of cause and effect. Go ahead and pause this while you do that, and maybe even write down a few keywords on your paper so you can find them later.